First, the top news headlines. Former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit passes away at 81. Interlocutor for peace talks, R.N. Ravi is Nagaland's new governor. $277 oil tankers due to arrive at Imphal from Jiribam. And Lamjingba Group opens brand new office in Gurgaon. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL SHAMBANDURAM giving you the Times of Manipur English news. Now the news in details. Former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, passed away at the private hospital in New Delhi today. Dikshit was 81. As per report, she was admitted to Fortis Escorts Hospital this morning and died of cardiac arrest. Sheila Dikshit has been appointed as the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee President on January 10th this year, days after Ajay Makhan resigned from the post, citing ill health. The three-time Chief Minister of Congress veteran was the candidate from the Northeast Delhi seat in Lok Sabha elections 2019. In an interesting development, the interlocutor of Naga peace talk, R.N. Ravi, has been appointed as the new governor of Nagaland. Ravi has been associated with the state of Nagaland since 2015, when a Naga Peace Accord was signed between the Government of India and NSCN-IM. Besides Ravi, the President of India has appointed Ramesh Bais as Governor of Tripura. Anandiben Patil, Governor of Madhya Pradesh, has been appointed as Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Jagdeep Dhankar as Governor of West Bengal. Lalji Tandon, Governor of Bihar, is transferred and appointed as Governor of Madhya Pradesh, and Fagu Chauhan as Governor of Bihar. Ravi will be replacing Padmanabha Acharya. A total of 277 oil tankers are due to arrive in the state, as per the measure taken up by the Manipur government to tackle shortage of petrol and diesel in the state. Altogether, 277 oil tankers have left Jiribam for Imphal on 18th and 19th of this month, as per report from Jiribam Police. Flying for fuel along Imphal-Dimapur road has remained disrupted due to frequent landslides and other disturbances this rainy season. Oil tankers from Manipur are now taking Imphal-Jiribam road. Lamjingba Group opened a brand new IT manufacturing company named Cherry Technology and Marketing Private Limited today at IFA's Signature Building in Udyog Vihar Phase 4, Gurgaon. The new IT brand Cherry will deal in marketing smartphones, laptops and smart televisions. It is worth mentioning that Cherry Technology and Marketing Private Limited is a vertical unit of Lamjingba Group with its headquarters at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It was incorporated in the year 2019 in Malaysia under the Company Act of 2016. With an aim to provide laptops to every underprivileged students, the company is manufacturing the best and affordable laptops as compared to other brands in the market. Cherry Technology is also planning to launch a very sophisticated healthcare device which will also help the society in the field of medical science.
Underdeveloped countries in the Malay Masida Hosi train Amalaiva, IT ki train live sida laptop amadi Masigi computer ki very sings in a low river role singsiki Kangdava plus Masigi advantage low tabna the Yamna the Kudong Sabasingasi the Kramaking the high singing man challenges wina Hosi Equina Satro with singasida high technology equigi production asida Putoxeraga when Yamna Afaba Makalgi laptop sing asi Quina affordable ID Masamana ID Quina Kanzi Madudi the Satro we consider ID Portama labor have see depend upon Magi parents that depend on Duna हारिबा सी डिपेंड तौबसिकी रोल से अखोइना खंजरगा अखोइना एफोर्डेबल ओइबा अदुम रेट अमदा पिनंगाइगी दमकता अखोइना प्लान तौजरी लोइना अखोइना सुंगबा आईटी कंपनी मा अखोइना ngasi इंडिया की थाकता मालेम की थाकता हांगबा ngamjariबasi मणिपुर लेबिबा मयामगी सपोर्ट ना adi lamjingbabu nungsibibudaini lamjingbada nungsibiba adumaina hariba company cherry technology asida su mayamna support tawbiduna adi hariba product asi launch to kumatamda masigi sinabinaba request tawse.
Many of our Manipuri youths who train and excel in different companies of the IT, and so it's scattered all over the world. Perhaps you also were aware of it. So, knowing all this background, Prime Minister already given the trust 5 years ago to Manipur. There should be one IT now. So now a portion or a part or a fraction of that, the ideas given by the Honorable Prime Minister is.
An IED was found this morning at the culvert in between Tronglaubi and Uksongbung along the Tidim Road under Moyang Police Station of Bishnupur district. According to a correspondent, the bomb was detected by bomb experts sniffer dog. Later, the bomb was defused. No group has claimed responsibility for the incident. Now let's take a short break, but coming up, students from Human Chain demanding disturbance-free educational zone. More after the break. Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277. Welcome back. Condemning the recent planting of bomb at Imphal Public School, Kanchipur, Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, and Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Educational Zone today jointly staged a human chain demonstration at Kakwa Bazaar, Imphal, where a large number of students took part. Later on, a public meeting was also held at the Kakwa Community Hall. DESAM Vice President and Addition said the alliance has taken serious note of the bomb incident that occurred at International Public School, Kanchipur, and sought clarification from the concerned group.
Masih maram du pira ka hojik pogda madu ki maram je thanam da bisna maram oraga masida bom thanami ba kanggu sing se miyam gi mayok ta leiba du ba kanggu ne haidana akoina logje aduna masi uma thong se masi matu na torok pokuding gi akoina changsil ba sigum ba khongjang bom thanam ba natrana sigum aki ekhang piram se masi gi mayok ta khoi lep laitana adu ma hena kan ba khongjang mayam khak masi go changsin jakine.
Chairperson of Coordinating Committee of Disturbance-Free Educational Zone, S.S. Premabati, condemned the act of disturbing the atmosphere of educational institutes and urged that no groups or individuals should not commit such act of threat in future.
Let us all promise together that we should not disturb. Any type of disturbance should not be given to the educational institution or related to education.
Manipur Forest Minister T. Shyamkumar today said humans are facing negative consequences as they challenge the nature. Briefing media at New Secretariat, he said that the ongoing drought-like situation facing the state is the outcome of human disturbances. The minister added that we must now come out together and take steps to avoid creating such situation in the future. Shyamkumar further said that he will be donating saplings for Andhra constituency from his MLA fund from tomorrow. The minister also promised that he will put efforts to supply water to the people of Andro from the right and left main canals of the Taubal project within 4 days.
Nimit marini gi manungda Andro Kendra gi Taubal project right main canal amadi left main canal na ising pibada phangdaba jaga ke ising piragani amadi matam chana nong chuno matam chana nong sinaba matam chana enga sa khansinga thamga damakta ursa sing thaibiyo aduga lami praja singda MLA fandagi ariba paisa kai thadaraga Andro Kendra gi jaga khodimakta ising nimit humni abdi within 10 days manungda humni dagi ngasi da humni mong singba hawani 10 days mong ising loina phangal lagani.
Former District Commissioner of Technopal District A. Tombikanta was sent to 6 days police remand by the Court of District Session Judge of Imphal West. Tombikanta was yesterday picked up by Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station from the jail. It is worth mentioning that the former DC was allegedly involved in a money laundering case. Charges have been made against him for embezzling a huge amount of money from DRDA account allocated to a scheduled tribe girls hostel while he was a district commissioner of Technopal district. A workshop on online building permission system for northeastern states was held at its website was also launched by Mahut Minister T. Shyamkumar at City Convention Centre in Imphal today. It was jointly organized by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India and Town Planning Department, Manipur in collaboration with Town and Country Planning Organization and National Institute of Urban Affairs, New Delhi. The OBPS will now easy access to anyone for getting permission of the concerned department by submitting documents for construction of house or office. Speaking at the event, Minister T. Shyamkumar stated that the system will lower the rate of corruption since the submission will be done online.
The workshop is a very important milestone in the implementation and achievement of the reform agenda under mission for rejuvenation and urban transformation and flagship mission of Government of India. As you all know, introduction of online building permission system is one of the most important reform under the mission. Additional Secretary, sir, may I request you, so please propose the Government of India to continue 10% lump sum scheme for the northern state for especially.
On the occasion, Nokfade Cultural Foundation showcased a play titled Mangal Amma, conveying the message on benefits of Pradhan Mantri Awaj Yojana.
Honorable Minister of Day,
in connection with the controversy surrounding construction of Manipur University of Culture at Waka village, the locals of the area lodged a complaint with Human Rights Commission Manipur recently, and following which on 15th of this month, the commission issued an order directing the authority to seek permission from villagers regarding the construction of the proposed project. In this regard, a press meet was held today at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal, during which President of Waka Youth Club, Mayanglamam Vishnu Singh, made it clear that the locals have no issue over the construction of the university. However, the state government must follow the directives of Manipur Human Rights Commission. He also urged the residents of Waka for a proper dialogue in bringing about a clear-cut solution to the issue.
Manipur Commission Manipur government Manipur University of Culture machine not Salaga, high Manipur University of Culture, make Shana, Yanablaton as Habi, have a walk into the Ninjagoina. At the Amanamu, Atopa media in the Yamtoina, Club Tolka Punjala Committee, the Shamdalaga, do Tore Wakana, University Sabating Againa, Karpa Wana, media the Punga program, Mikajing. Mona Mana Club Puna, Pamina Boto Waka, you club in Betoraga, time of the table of the permanent target, Masse, Nana Soap, Musuya. Mediator also told Jamie Gaining I never. Other point, Kadam was moving at the Pamaga, muy much in the meeting Toraga Waka, Yelton the Mother Solution for Pungamoeva.
As celebrated all over the country, 182 Battalion Border Security Force BSF Koirangi celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF Counter-Insurgency Operations. Manipur at BSF campus, Koirangai. As a part of the event, a 5-kilometer run participated by 250 personnel of 182 Battalion BSF was kicked off by Sector Commandant Operations SS Ashok Kumar Dagger. Alongside, homage was paid to the martyrs, followed by motivational lecture, weapon display, documentary screening on Kargil War and lots more. Bank of Baroda celebrated its 112th Foundation Day today. As a part of the occasion, a free health camp for staff of FCI Godown, Sangai Pro, was held at the Godown premises. 3 ECG machines were also handed over to the Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphel, and also essential commodities were distributed to Old Age Home Mongsangai.
The 3 ECG machine, this is really benefit all our patients, particularly poor patients who are coming in our casualties. So actually I wanted this machine and they are already given to us. So we are really grateful to them.
Manipur University da koi Vice Chancellor da water purifier filter tara pizagadori sigi mathang da akoi na FCS Godown Sangai Prok da akoi gi health camp free health camp ama akoi moi gi employees laborers singi damakta staff puna maki pangthok sari ajigi matung da akoi na amuka su all age home Mongsangai da koi na Godrej ani amasung other essential items khara sungka pizagadori. So this is part of our Bank of Baroda whole team, entire cooperation and support, and also from our higher authorities. Siga mari lena na akoi higher authority na akoi gi relationship with our customers. Like RIMS is also our customer. Maina koi certain akoi gi Manipur University and any other public customers in the akoi gi CSR activity, some initiative program hai na koi Baroda Anubhuti program ko bagi makhada tawjabani si se. Aduna si akoi gi customers in the akoi na mating pangba ya bakhara bank ki site gi sigi part of activity oina pangthok sabani.
Sainik School Imphal to host East Zone Sainik School Sports and Cultural Festival Championship 2019-20 for 6 Sainik School centers in the Northeast from 22nd to 26th of July. A total of 322 cadets, including 250 cadets from 5 states and 72 cadets from Sainik School Imphal, are taking part in the championship. As a team event, under 14 sub-junior football, under 17 junior football, hockey, open category, basketball open category, volleyball open category, debate in English and Hindi, quiz competition and other cultural events will be held. The participating schools are Sainik School Purulia, West Bengal, Sainik School Pungalwa, Nagaland, Sainik School Golpara, Assam, Sainik School Chengchep, Mizoram, Sainik School East Siang, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sainik School Imphal. Speaking about the championship, Principal of Sainik School Imphal, ACS Chauhan, stated that the championship aims to bring all-round development to the students by allowing them to indulge in co-curricular activities like sports besides studies. The winning team will later on join other inter-zonal championships, he added.
He is more than willing and very helpful. He asked me, he says, Mr. Principal, whatever you need from our side, we will go all out and support you. And it is because of his support and his encouragement that we are going ahead. And the matches are yet to start, but during present time, we got a lot of help from him. And we hope the matches and East Zone competitions will go very smooth because of all support from Honorable Education Minister, GOC Fitness and Mountain Deep, and all the civil organizations.
Well, we are heading to another short break, but coming up, Modi assures all possible help to flood-hit Assam. Stay tuned for more updates.
Manipur University de affiliate tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langjing Achauba Imphal West ki admission tauzari course sing adudi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gi damak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 96128123446 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi assures that his government would provide all possible help to Assam for countering the flood fury. Modi was talking to a delegation of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) MPs from Assam at his office in the parliament yesterday. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Haq has directed the Health and Family Welfare Department to convene a meeting with the management of GVK EMRI and agitating staff members on July 22nd. This came following the indefinite strike called by the Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union. The Sikkim government has declared October 5 as government holiday to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Chief Minister Nar Bahadur Bhandari. He was the second longest serving Chief Minister, who was also the founding leader of the Sikkim Sangram Parishad Party. The announcements were made by Chief Minister P.S. Gole during a book release function titled Atal Bhandari. A consecutive meeting was held on Friday at the Speaker's Conference Hall to discuss the plan for creating infrastructural facilities in the headquarters of the newly created 4 districts of Arunachal Pradesh, Leparada, Siyomi, Pake Kesang and Kamle. The consecutive meeting was held under the chairmanship of Arunachal Pradesh Assembly Speaker Pasang Doji Sona. With just a week left for the 3-tier Panchayat polls in Tripura, there was widespread panic following the recovery of a homemade bomb in Banikya Chaumohani area under Bodjung Nagar police station in West Tripura on Friday. Police were informed as soon as the locals of the area found the explosive in an abandoned plastic bag from the garbage dumping area. A group of Chinese scientists will start trialing a long-lasting human immunodeficiency virus (HIV) vaccine on 160 volunteers for the first time that such a vaccine has reached a second phase human trial. As per sources, the candidate vaccine is known as DNA RTV, relies on the replication of the virus DNA to stimulate effective immunization against the virus. American video streaming giant Netflix has reportedly confirmed it would unveil a mobile-only subscription plan for India during the third quarter of 2019 and that it would be priced lower than its existing plans. As per sources, the company began testing its mobile-only subscription service in few countries in March this year. Now let's have a look at today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Government urged to probe death of school girl. Will try to reconstitute bench, says CZI. Community Network for Empowerment appeals department to seek feedbacks from public. Surrenderies threaten stare. Imphal Free Press. Government teachers to take mass casual leave from today against downgrading of pay. Justice hurried is justice buried. Matter listed by High Court fails to make it in cause list. SSUM to shut down Standard Robert School from today. Death of baby Sana is a premeditated murder, says JAC. Farmers' body alleges authority of Dolai Thabi Barrage. The Morning Bell. Desam aims to conduct swoops on students' hostels boarding. MLA Joy Kisan demands speedy probe. Over 1 crore people hit as floods ravage Bihar, Assam. Death toll shoots up to 114. Jiribam railway line to be completed by 2022. Railways Minister Goyal to visit state. AMHVISWA to launch hunger strikes if government fails. AR seizes large quantities of drugs and contraband items. The People's Chronicle. JE claims kid girl in Senapati, 15 undergoing treatment, says Dr. Serto. Dr. R.K. Ranjan seeks boundary resurvey. Revokes service extension of Bhavan OSD within 5 days, says JSCC. Goal to study rail project status. Cabinet to discuss officials' re-engagement extension.
And before we wind up the top news headlines once again. Former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dixit passes away at 81. Interlocutor for peace talks R.N. Ravi is Nagaland's new governor. $277 oil tankers due to arrive at Imphal from Jiribam. And Lamjingba Group opens brand new office in Gurgaon. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.
Thank you.